brain scan like this might make an explanation seem more convincing, even if it's completely irrelevant. I'll explain in a minute. But first, a quiz. In a study, researchers found that men were better at spatial reasoning than women. The researchers learned from interviews that the men had played more sports as children than the women on average. Okay, this isn't a real study, but pretend it is. Here are two possible explanations for the study result. You can pause the video to read them and decide which one you think is a better explanation. Explanation 1 is better because it links cause and effect. Explanation 2 doesn't really explain anything. It just mentions a part of the brain that's related to the task, not why it caused the difference. This quiz is from a very real study. Researchers found that when people were given pairs of explanations like this, where the worst explanations had brain stuff in it, people had a harder time figuring out which explanation was better than when both explanations had brain stuff, or neither one did. They call this the seductive allure of neuroscience explanations. It was first observed in 2008. In that study, they found that even students who had just finished a cognitive neuroscience class were guilty of it. And a recent analysis of 60 experiments found that this preference for irrelevant neuroscience information is pretty reliable. So the next time you see one of these while someone is explaining something about the mind, ask yourself if it's really adding anything helpful.